10 muscle facts 90% of people don't know. 1. Why do muscles tremble? Muscles shake to generate heat when you're cold. But it can also happen from fatigue or low blood sugar. Sometimes, it's just your body saying, "Hey, give me a break." 2. The muscles behind your smile. Did you know smiling uses at least 15 muscles in your face? Frowning takes even more, about 40 muscles. So, if you want to save energy, smiling is the way to go. 3. Muscle is heavier than bone. Muscle is denser and weighs about 15% more than bone. This explains why fit people often weigh more than they look. Muscle really knows how to pull its own weight. 4. Why are some muscles red and some white? Red muscles, or slow twitch fibers, are built for endurance. White muscles, or fast twitch fibers, give you quick bursts of power. One's for marathons, and the other? Sprints. 5. Muscles. The heat engines of your body. Muscles generate over 40% of your body heat, even at rest. During exercise, they produce even more. Think of your muscles as nature's built-in space heater. 6. What really causes muscle soreness? Muscle soreness isn't caused by lactic acid. It's actually from tiny tears in your muscle fibers. So yes, sometimes pain really does mean gain. 7. Your heart is a muscle, too. The heart is a special muscle called cardiac muscle. It beats over 100,000 times a day without stopping. That's endurance training you can't skip. 8. The smallest muscle in your body. The stapedius muscle in your ear is just 1 millimeter long. Its job? To protect your hearing by controlling vibrations. Even tiny muscles make a big difference. 9. Muscles have memory. Muscles, remember, their size after growing. This helps them regrow faster when you train again. Turns out, your muscles are better at remembering than you are. 10. Hands don't have their own muscles. Most hand movements are controlled by muscles in your forearm. This keeps your hands light and nimble. It's like outsourcing, smart and efficient. Can you share any fun muscle trivia? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.